Weeds. When it comes to maize farming, or for silage or for human consumption, weeds are the most dangerous thing when it comes with production of maize. So in this section, I'll be showing you how I'm going to be weeding and disadvantages of having weeds when you are planting maize. So weeds, as you can see here, these are all weeds. Yeah, weeds compete with the maize for the available nutrient in the soil. Remember, when we were planting these seeds, these maize, we said we have to select the quality seeds, and then we have to make the soil as fertile as possible. And for our case here, if you remember correctly, if you have watched my videos, we used fertilizer, and we used a lot of manure, decomposed manure, well decomposed manure, and this is the result of what we have been having. So it has not been long, but check out that it is very, but here is the enemy of the plant, the weeds that you are seeing here. It is going to compete with the maize for the available resources, for the available nutrients in the soil, making the maize to have what we call retarded growth. Yeah, it will not have the best growth as possible. Look at these. Look at the stem. Yeah, everything is coming up well, as you can see, but the problem is weeds. So always make sure you weed the soonest possible. Even if you are going to weed it until harvesting, even if you are going to weed it at 2 or 3 times, the better. But do not let it grow like this, having weeds, as you can see here. Yeah, and today I've been doing this. I'll be doing what we call, I'll be uprooting all the weeds, I'll be weeding. Yeah, so always make sure you do this. There are so many companies that they are making chemicals for weed not grow, but I would discourage you from that, because uh, there's a scenario here. I said I'll be frank. I have a friend who works in one of the big chemical industry here in Kenya, and he is a farmer also, but he doesn't use any chemical from that company or any other company. Yeah, we have those weed we have those chemicals that eliminate weeds completely, but he doesn't use it on his farm. Why? There must be something. He never told me why. So I would recommend that you do it physically. You uproot the weeds physically. Yeah, better you employ some people. If you are a mobile farmer, employ people, so that, but don't use those chemicals. But I believe they have a negative impact on the soil. So for our case here, we'll be doing it practical. Yeah, and I hope you too can do it. So look at this. It is very, the beauty of farming is watching a plant growing from scratch and above. You feel good. Yeah, so today this is what I've been doing. So after I have weeded, these are the results. Look at that. Very beautiful. Yeah, look at that. I like this. I totally in love with farming. So this is what I've been doing. So I have uprooted all it, as you can see, and at the base of a plant I have heaped soil, as you can see. Yeah, we are having so much rain, and if this continues, and these will be growing. Look at that, so beautiful. Will be growing. Heavy rainfall will make these stem. It will make your maize. It will not withstand the winds and the heavy rain. So you have to weed, and then once you do that, you put a heap at the bottom, at the base of the plant. You put a big heap of the soil. So this will strengthen the maize itself from natural calamity like floods, heavy winds, uh, strong rains. It will withstand all that. Yeah, and this is the basics. Yeah, this is fast weeding. I'll be doing like 2 or 3, but look at that. The farm is so beautiful. Yeah, look at those. If you compare these and with these, there's a big difference, guys. So always make sure you weed the soonest possible. Do not wait for it to grow so big so that you can start weeding. Yeah, So weed will compete with the plant, and you don't want that. You want the available nutrients in the soil to be consumed by the maize, and this is what we are saying. Look at that. You can see it and you can feel it. Yeah. This is for proper planting and proper instruction that I gave you guys. If you have followed, you could be having such results. Yeah. And I like to be practical, and I like being frank. This is what I've been doing. As a farmer, you have to check the farmer on the ground what they are doing, not not teachers who will be telling you do this, and they are not doing practically. Me, I do it practically, and I'll be showing you guys. So this is what I've been doing, and this is the best. So if you have not weeded, please do, and let nature take its course. Let the rain, let the sunshine take its course, but you have to do it. Do not procrastinate, saying today I'm going to be weeding today or tomorrow. No, the weeds will come whether you like it or not. Yeah. So the best thing is take advantage of the early time. You approach the weeds as soon as possible. Yeah. So that your plant can consume the most nutrients in the soil. So guys, thank you all for watching, and I hope you are going together in this journey. In few years time we'll be have so much knowledge. We have done a lot of research. We'll be far much ahead. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, and you you believe that we are going somewhere, we are heading somewhere as farmers, just subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment. I'll be glad. Yeah. And if you have not liked this video or you don't like this channel, just put it in the comment section. How can we improve this channel so that we can educate more farmers, so that we can share more knowledge to either upcoming farmer or already established dairy farmers? I'm not perfect, but through the experience, through the research that I've been doing, guys, I have been able to do all this. And with your support by watching my videos, I make it possible. You make it possible for me to keep on uploading more videos. So check out all that. Yeah. So this is the beauty of being a farmer. Look at that. Yeah. That is what we call something awesome. Yeah. So thank you for your time, and I hope you take action, you start weeding the soonest possible. So thank you for your time. May you have a wonderful time.